Hello students, just ESE 2021 paper has completed and I am ready with the analysis of the ESE 2021 paper. So first of all, let's see how the question distribution is of ESE 2021. So there were 13 questions from material science, 6 questions from electronic devices and circuits, 11 questions from analog electronics, 22 questions from network, 5 questions from control systems, 14 questions from electromagnetic theory, 11 questions from measurement, 12 questions from communication systems, 14 questions from advanced communications, 4 questions from advanced electronics, 4 questions from basic electrical engineering, 9 questions from computer organizations, 12 questions from signals and systems, 7 questions from digital circuits and 6 questions from microprocessor and microcontroller. So the question paper level was, I would say, medium or easy, and I think the cutoff will be 265 or 270, around 265 or 270 will be the cutoff. And I think there were 2 or 3 controversial questions in which none of the options were matching, like the question on energy of signal was there, and the diode waveform signal the diode waveform question was there. So except those, all other questions were of very easy, or I think I would say they were very easily to attempt by the student. So the cutoff will be around 265 or 270. So we will just wait for the results, and I think now the ESE paper is moving towards more like GATE paper. So if you are preparing for GATE, then I think you are your preparation for ESE will also be complete by about 70% or 80%, because now ESE and GATE are almost like very similar. So, and all the questions were easy in ESE. So, and the concepts of GATE were also there. They were repeated, like many questions. The concept of GATE questions were repeated in the ESE 2021 electronics paper. So just best of luck for your results, and just be confident that you have done your paper and start preparing for other exams, or if you have any other exam, or just make your concepts more stronger. So best of luck for results.